Hello guys, welcome back. This is Rahim. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to see about unboxing of LG Velvet smartphone and its specifications. Before that guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. That will help growing of the channel and also motivates me to make some more cool stuff and videos. Let's quickly unbox and see what do we have in the box. Right up front, we have a phone that looks very tall and looks slim though. We have a charger, it's a 16.2 watt fast charging, and we have a type C USB cable. Along with that we get a tool to eject our SIM and couple of manuals. Let's see the design of the phone. Phone looks very tall in the hands but doesn't look that big. It feels good. It has a curved glass, front, back and its sides. The overall thickness of the phone is 7.9 mm and it's a metal glass sandwich design, and its weight is 178 grams. That's very great for this kind of phones. If you talk about the ports, it has 3.5 mm jack and it has a type C charging port. It has speaker grills. It has an extra button on the top of the volume button and it's for a Google Assistant. One of the cool features that this phone has is it's an IP68 certified. That means it's a waterproof. Let's see how it behaves when you put this phone in the water. Phone has a 6.8-inch P-OLED screen and it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. This phone has only one variant, that's 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Battery capacity is 4300 mAh and charging is 16.2 watts. This phone also supports wireless charging. That's a great feature to have. Outstanding feature of this phone is its display. It comes with a tall display and P-OLED screen, and the display looks amazing when a video is played and the sound output is just awesome. Phone comes with a 3 camera setup, that is 48 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra and ultra wide angles, and it has 16 megapixel selfie camera at the front. Camera of this phone does a great job and the photo quality is just amazing. You can see a couple of images on the display currently which has been captured from these cameras, including the selfie camera as well. Overall build quality of this phone is just great and awesome. It's very durable and can be used for a long time. Well, this is the entire story of Velvet guys. I must say, design of the phone is just premium and fantastic. What do you think? Feel free to comment and share your opinion. This phone comes under the special price of 32k and I have purchased this phone from Bajaj Electronics in Hyderabad. Well, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and see you again guys.